This sensor was created to detect biological traces on Mars. This sensor has a bioreceptor made of nanotubes inside of it. When the sensor touches its designated object, it lets out a small electrical charge.
It's practical to have it in space, Earth, and other planets too. Carbon nanotubes are inside of the sensor. These tubes are very good for their use to conduct heat and electricity. They are also very strong.
The sensor is incredibly sensitive to even the slightest movement. It is very small and doesn't need that much energy.
Park, Middle School of the Engineering class, Inventions and Innovations. And this is a video demonstrating the other uses that you can be utilized for the topic. Sensors provide early warning of biological threats.
You ever wonder why so many sea creatures such as sea turtles or fish in any majestic waters die so rapidly?
Well, maybe the reason is because the cluster of pollution that floats in the water, or maybe in the water that turns out to live the lives of many living organisms.
We have the right solutions to make a difference in the world and to help the animals and to keep them protected that we need today.
Well, look no further, because we came up with a splendid idea to maintain a healthy environment. Yes, creatures that live in waters are part of our surroundings.
You might think there are already people working on things that eliminate pollution in the water, but there's something different we came up with.
Here's how it works. So let's say that you're imagining a ship, one of those fishing ships that contain radars to help locate lost ships or fish, and immediately it pops up on the radar to show you where it is and found what you wanted. Problem solved. But the radar isn't programmed enough to seek any type of pollution, or is there?
So you have this sensor no bigger than a cell phone screen, and what if that sensor was placed in the radar and have the ability to locate a type of pollution underwater, such as oil, industrial effluent, mining and agricultural wastes, sewage disposal, and domestic wastes, and many more. This is our demonstration of how it works.
So you got this boat that has the radar in it, and if we were to put the sensor in it, it would notify us on the radar that there is pollution in the water, and it needs to get taken care of before any creatures get harmed.
So here's the boat and here's that affected area, so that the radar will detect it and it will make this noise that signifies that there are an arm in the area and it needs to get taken care of.
The sensor will be attached to an electrical wire that controls the radar that trembles or shakes or vibrates, that leads to the water, and workers will then capture and take the animals to secure place before they get harmed.
This will decrease extinction and will do well to the earth.
There's many advantages to this idea. One, people don't need to do a lot of work and will make it way easier to clean our ocean or any stream or body of water. Two, reduces extinction for creatures that live in water.
3, people will test this solution and actually find a reason why they're dying and not just seeing dead animals floating around in the water.
As you can tell, there are ways that we can protect animals, especially if you're an animal lover and feel sorry.
Imagine if this invention would become a hit. We actually have a chance of making a difference. In reality, people need it, and one that really matters and something that can be installed easily by engineers.
Well, of course it would take some time, but it doesn't matter the time. Pollution is just such a crime.